Hello there friends. In this video I will explain how you can earn money from social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest or TikTok. Before that, if you guys new seeing my videos, please subscribe my channel and press bell button to not miss my next videos. Dear friends, all of you using social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, have you ever thought of your pocket? Have you ever thought how you can earn money from them? Let's follow with me this video. I will show you 3 simple ways how you can earn money from social media. Right now, there are people making lots of money on social media without selling any product. Even the experts say social media is not the place for making money, but there are still some ways that how you will earn money, you will learn. Right now there are people making a living on social media without selling any product. You are seeing their profile regularly with thousands or tons of followers. They are doing fun, they are traveling, and all their expenses, all those profiles, around 80% of those profiles and peoples are sponsored by brands and companies. They are social influencers. Experts predict that in the next 2 years, global influencer marketing will be $5 to $10 billion industry. Do you have lots of social media followers? And do you want to learn how to turn those followers into dollars? Follow our video. There are more money making opportunities on social media than you might realize. Social media in fact can be quite lucrative. I'm introducing to you 3 ways you can make money on social media. Number 1. Promote affiliate products. It's not important what industry you are in. You can find great products to promote on ClickBank. And you can also become an Amazon associate to promote products of your own choosing and earn commission on them. Amazon has no shortage of products at any time. Next, instead of spamming links on Twitter and hoping for the best, keep in mind that the most honest and effective way to promote an affiliate product is through reviews. If you personally use a product and like it, and know that your followers serve to benefit from it, then write a long form review and share why you like this product. Don't be afraid to talk about what you like and what you don't like it. You can even use a video if that's more your style. Also make sure to disclose your affiliate relationship. This is a legal requirement in most cases, but it's also the best practice. Your reader or viewer will appreciate your honesty. Number 2. Promote products and services. There are many opportunities for you to share sponsored posts that promote the products and services of other businesses. This is a very direct way of earning money from social media. But if you don't have enough followers, this may not be much of an opportunity. You also have to be aware of over promoting a product by aim to earn money. Because of your followers see that you constantly tweeting about one or another product, they are not only clicking on the link, they will do and follow you also. It is important to mix things up. It is wise to take the time to craft a proper social media posting schedule to make sure you're adding value to your followers. While promoting products, calls to action should definitely be part of your social media strategy, but every post can't be a call to action. Number 3. Promote your coaching or consulting services. Number 3. Promote your coaching or consulting services. Social media is the great place to generate leads for your consulting business. If you are an art teacher or a life coach, if you have a demonstrated expertise in your specific area, you can create more interest for your services by connecting with your target customer on social media. Coaching session can be conducted over Skype, so this is definitely an opportunity to make money without leaving home. Consulting can be lucrative, so remember not to undercut yourself. Charge a fair price for your time and effort. This strategy can also work in coordination with selling information products, as those who want your advice are more likely to be interested in the books, ebooks, and courses you have created. Dear friends, instead of thinking of full inbox, let's think about grow your business from your social media, how you can grow your business or how you can earn money. The tips which I introduced for you, if you can follow it, then you can turn your social media to a money making machine. Indeed, these tips was for those who has enough followers in social media, but if you don't have enough followers to follow these strategies or tips, what to do? First, you have to choose your own route. Second, find who is more friend than you. Follow their steps. Boost your engagement rate. Use multiple hashtags. If you are trying to make money on social media, you can't be afraid to use hashtags. But don't use only one per post. Research shows that using multiple hashtags leads to higher engagement rates. Each post with 7 hashtags have the highest engagement rates. So never be scared or afraid of using hashtags. Another, post high quality content, photos. If you wanna become a social influencer, you need to make sure that you are sharing only quality content and photos. Even you don't need to buy professional cameras, but at least you have to make good photos by your smartphones, because the high quality contents and pictures can draw the attention and make you seem more legitimate. Each one of us daily involved many hours or many times in social media. Let's make a goal for yourself how you can earn from them. If you don't have enough followers, don't be scared. Everyone start from the beginning, and if you will make your own route, for sure you will reach wherever you wanna. The important thing, you should have self-confidence. While you have your own self-confidence and never give up, one day you will be the biggest social influencer in Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. It's not important. Just don't give up and continue. Dear friends, I hope this video will help you to become a social influencer. Please not forget to subscribe my channel.